bubbles! I love bubbles on the wind! Popping them is great! Here, let me blow some more! Yeah, that's right. I made this bubble blower myself. It wasn't that hard either. I used a highlighter. Removed the ink and the tip. Then I needed some wire. I twisted it, then added some hot glue and put it in the container. Then it was just adding the bubble mix. Let's give it a try. Ta-da! It works! I love test day. I hope my students are ready for it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. None of this is making sense to me. Miss, I have a question! I need help! Ahem. Please read the note on the blackboard, Julie. The time for questions is over. The test is about to begin. Oh, right. Sorry. I was just practicing for a regular class day. Sure. Whatever you say. Hey, I'm here to take the test or whatever. What a drag. I can't believe I have to be here for that. She seems like she's got it together over there. Maybe I'll just scoot my desk a little closer to her. Miss! She's moving her desk too close to mine! Alright, time to start the test. Get going! Okay, I can do this. Just gotta answer the questions. Just gonna stretch before I start. Good thing I packed this cheat sheet with me. Ahem. What do you think you're doing? That's what I thought. A cheat sheet. Give that to me. Now get back to work and finish this test. Okay, well it's not like that was my only plan. Don't even think about it. I'll take that. Come on! She's like a ninja teacher! It's kinda cool though. Alright, what the heck am I gonna do now? Okay, well, maybe I'll just open my pencil bag. Thank goodness I added one last cheat sheet in here. Hey! What do you have there? Oh my, another cheat sheet! Give that to me. Here, take your writing implements. My pen. Maybe I could do something with that. Yeah, I think I could make that work. First, I'll need to heat my blade using this candle flame. There we go. It's nice and hot. Now to use the knife on the pen. It's going right in. I'll also need 2 toothpicks and a rubber band. I need to wrap the rubber band around these toothpicks. Okay, now I can just slide my cheat sheet through the slice I made. And now my toothpicks will help me wind it up. And then I can just put the pen back together. Perfect. Yeah, that would have been a great thing to make. Oh! Right, the test. I better get to work. Yes! I'm totally balancing this clock on my arm. Hey, that's it! Test time is over. Pencils down, please. I love test days. Yay! I totally rocked this test like I thought I would. Wait, the time's over already? I didn't get anything done. Hey, how's it going? I'm gonna sit here too. Ugh, why can't I get this lotion out of the tube? Come on! This is being so dumb and frustrating. I'll just squeeze it super hard. Hi-ya! Ah! What the heck are you doing? Oops. You got your lotion all over my hands and bag! I think my bag might be ruined. No! Listen, it'll be okay. We can fix it, I promise. I'll be right back. I can't believe she's just abandoning me. There's so much lotion on here. This is a huge mess. Okay, I can fix this. Got a cardboard tube and some glue. That should be enough. Now I have some paper to roll it up. Okay, that's good. I'll use scissors next and cut the ends. Just a few more. Time for some more glue. Now I can fold these ends in and glue them down too. My poor bag! Maybe I can just wipe this all off. Huh? What's she doing over there? Oh, she's trying to clean it off. I better get back to work on this. She's still upset. Okay, those edges are all glued down now. Next up, markers for decorating. I'll use this yellow. Ooh, this is turning out great so far. Maybe this vacuum will help my bag. Oh, hey! Let go of my bag, you dumb vacuum! Yikes! It's out of control! Stop it! Stop it right now! Give that back to me! It's mine, not yours! Wow, she's really going all out over there. Just gonna draw a cute little slice of citrus fruit. I'll outline it too, to really make it pop. Eee! So cute! I love these fruits so much. I'm gonna add a cute little friend for them too. Also, this strip of yellow paper at the top now. Nice. I'll add more. Time for some more decorations. Gotta be careful with my bubble letters. I'll color them in. This blue is pretty. I like it a lot. Okay, letters are just about done. Now I need this corrugated cardboard paper. I'll use it to close off this end of the tube. Then top it with more paper. Okay, here's the squeeze top for the lotion tab. Some more glue here on the edge of the topper. And glue it onto the top. Now for these patches of Velcro. They'll go on the inside across from each other. Now they can keep it closed, or you can squeeze to open. The pencils can go right inside and then be safe. Wow! I am legit super impressed with what I made. Come on, baby hand. You can get off the lotion. I know you can. Hey, Julie! I'm back and I've got something for you. Oh, she's in baby hand zone. Hey, Julie, snap out of it. Come on, pay attention. This is important. Hey, it's a new pencil holder for you. Aww, that's so cute! I absolutely love it! Thank you so much! Here, you can have my old pencil case too. I'm sure you'll love it as much as I did. Oh, sure, I guess. Thanks, I suppose. As you can see, the colors of this painting are just divine. They evoke summer nights and the feeling of temptation. Oh! Okay, are you ready to get started? Let's do this. Don't worry, class. I'm okay. Art can be dangerous, that's all. Now get to work on your own canvases, please. I'll be up here if you have any questions or need any pointers. Alright, I'm ready to make some of my own art. Excellent. I'm really feeling these colors. I need even more of these colors for my work. Colors! Give me the colors! More! These colors and these ones, too! Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Very nice. Yes, that's the passion I like to see in my classes. Looks like I'm out of ink in this one. I'll just grab another one. Huh? Where did they all go? Hey, she hogged them all! Well, now what the heck am I gonna do? Some more of this over here. Yes! Exquisite! This is ridiculous. How am I supposed to work without any supplies? Wait a second. I think I've got an idea. Here I go. I love these little coloring books. Just gotta sneak up here. I gotta take them. Yoink! Oh, I thought I heard something. Where did my cotton swabs go? My ears are itchy! Oh no. Oh no. Wait. Calm down. Everything will be fine. There. I've got my spare supplies. I'm good. Okay. First stage of my plan was a success. Now to get to work. Gonna wrap this cotton swab with this tissue paper all the way around. And now it's time for some washi tape. Ooh, I really love this purple polka dot one. So pretty. Now to just wrap this around the swab. It's looking great. But what I really need is color. Like this food coloring. I'll just drip the cotton end into the color. I'll give it a little test on this piece of paper. I saved my art project. And why make just one when I can make a whole rainbow? Alright, back to work I go. Zoom! Hello, artwork. I missed you. But I'm back with more color. I'm the best artistic genius ever! There. I think this might be my masterpiece. Alright, class. Let's see your work for today. Here's mine. I absolutely love it. Mine is an expression of the dread one feels on a dark stairwell. Okay. Let me take a closer look here. Okay. I see your use of blue and highlights of orange here. Okay. You have a collection of strokes. Oh, what's this? Where did these little art sticks come from? Excellent. I love them. Very good work, my dear. I'm gonna borrow this if you don't mind. Oh sure, I guess that's no problem. Oh right. My journal entry that I was working on. Ugh! Oh my gosh! What was I doing? This is definitely a microscope.
Focus, class. This is important work.
I don't need these anymore. Let me have a look. Ah, okay. Time for some help. What would I do without my phone?
I don't believe it. Ahem. Hand over the phone.
But… fine. Take it. He's so strict. Wait, do you know all those answers? Of course not. I'm cheating too. See? I have a fake hand. Pretty smart. You should get an A for cheating. Aw, just look at him. He's so cute. Ooh, I'll take that. Hey! Give it back! Never! It's mine! Just give me it! Uh-oh. Look what you did! You ruined everything! I'm so sorry. I mean it! Maybe I can fix this. I need this notebook, though. Hey, Jennifer! Watch this. I can turn this coursework into something sweet. I'll start by answering the problems. This is pretty easy. There. That's it? Nope. What? I'm making a few changes to the answers. It'll turn them from numbers into letters. And spell out a love note. Now it's finished. What do you think? I love you. Aww. I'm sorry. It was a silly prank. Besties? Of course. Ah.
What an interesting book.
Hey, Mommy.
Hi, dear.
Where is it? I can't find it. Aha! Got it!
Wendy! Be careful! Look what you did!
Gotta go! Oh, this is fun. Hey, Mom!
Hi, sweetie.
Catch!
No! Not again! All my papers are soaked! Look look at it!
Oops. I'm out of here.
Don't move!
But I made you a drink. That was a little dramatic. I'll just sit down here. Hang on. I have an idea. And I need that tape. Got it! This should work. I'll wrap a strip of tape around the table leg. Then attach it to the roll. That looks secure. It makes a great cup holder. Mom, look at this! I can't spill anything now.
Ooh, that's pretty handy. And that does look good. Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah, I knew you'd like it.
That's my girl.
Thanks, Mom. What should I eat first? Oh, these look good. They smell delicious. More! Oops! Oh, this is amazing!
Home at last. Where are my keys? Ah, it's fine. Wendy's in.
Woohoo!
What's taking so long? Wendy? Hello?
Yeah! Whoa! Oh, my head! That hurt. What's that noise?
Let me in! Wendy!
Oh no! This is a mess!
Mom will be mad!
I need to clean this up! Huh? Where's the rest of this mop? What am I gonna do? Hang on. I can use my socks! I'll slip them over the mop. And do the same with the other side. It's a DIY mop! I'm genius! Now I need to clean. Wow, this is a great idea! Oh, hi, Mommy! Come on in. How was your day?
What's going on?
Go sit down. Relax. That was close.
It's clean. I mean really clean. Wait. What's that?
Nothing.
I'm sitting on something. It's an empty bag of chips.
How did that get there? Bye!
Get back here!
I'm so bored. Shh! I'm trying to pay attention. It's so interesting. There. All my notes are ready. You're such a nerd. I don't understand any of this.
Who can answer this? Jennifer? Nah, never mind. Wendy?
Oh, okay. Thank you. Now's my chance. Oh, I didn't know that.
Hang on. Oh no! This is a disaster! I've marked Wendy's notebook! She'll know I was copying her work. Unless I can hide it. I'll copy the work into the back of the notebook. She'll never know. What's she doing now? She's definitely not doing classwork. There. One last thing to do. I need to draw the stupid circle. I should have paid attention in art class.
What's going on? Is she studying?
I'll draw around this roll of tape. This'll give me the perfect circle. Or maybe not. It's painful to watch. Keep going, Wendy. Oh, I've got it. I can use this coin. Steady. Why is this so hard? I mean, it's just a circle. What else can I use? What about these scissors? I think this might work. It's worth a try. I'll place the scissors on the table. Then I'll apply glue to one of the handles. Now I'll stick a pencil to it. That seems secure. Now I can draw the perfect circle. The scissors act like a compass. I just need to spin them around. I did it! At last! Thanks! Great work, Wendy. Jennifer? Why bother?
That was fun.
Oh, I hope she doesn't notice.
Wait. This can't be right!
Oh no! She knows!
There's dust on my page!
Phew.
I'm glad I have this compass to draw circles.
You're kidding me! But… Oh well. I knew I hated this class. I love these tops. I better hang them up. I have a lot of clothes. There must be some space left in here. Nope. Obviously not. Maybe I can force a small gap. Yes! I'm doing it! Oh! Whoa! That wasn't supposed to happen. I need a break. Wait a minute. I have an idea. I'll remove the tab from the soda can. This is just what I need. I'll slip it over the hanger. Then use it to hold the second hanger. I'll keep doing it. It's a great space saver. Now all my tops will fit in the wardrobe. Everything is neat and tidy. And now I can have some fun!